Hello everyone! In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to create a Stripe payment link. First, go to stripe.com and sign into your account. From your dashboard, click Payments, then select Payment Links. Click Create Payment Link and choose a product from your list or create a new one with a name, description, and price. Adjust your settings. You can enable recurring payments, collect customer information, or offer multiple quantities. Once everything looks good, click Create Link. Copy and share the link by email, social media, or website, and you're done. That's it. That's how to create a Stripe payment link. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.